guys, welcome to my channel Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you're new here, my name is Sam and thanks for joining me. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Got my candle, I got my coffee. I actually have a planner cover unboxing to share with you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy these types of videos, or just so I know that you enjoy my videos in general. If you want to see what I'm up to, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. All my social media links are listed down below. So earlier in the year, back in January, I believe, I'm gonna go ahead and move some of this stuff out since I feel like I set the vibe. The camera will want to focus on everything. And you guys know the drill, don't mind the dog hair. I don't know if you guys remember, but earlier in the year I did a few planner videos where I was showing my planner setup. I was using these two covers. As you guys know, I've been using this one for my Halloween Happy planning, and this is in the size A5. And then I was trying to use this as like a personal planning one with like appointments, finances, all that fun stuff. To give you a little update, this one has been so hard for me to use. I'll show you why real quick before we get into the unboxing. It was my first time trying an undated planner like this. I actually forget what these are called, where, you know, I'm in charge of putting the layout and the design and what I want in there. I wanted to try it. I was curious about the size. Of course, I was inspired by all the photos that I saw on Pinterest, like just all the options that you could do with this. I mean, I think I could do two planners, but I kind of just would get exhausted trying to figure out what I was gonna do, and then I felt like I had to keep it up, and I'm not even gonna dwell on this, but I thought that I would maybe turn this into like a journal, like journal planning, where I like do a little bit of crafting in it, and I just want to do like photos and maybe write about some memories some things that I do throughout the year. Yeah, like I haven't even touched it since I did everything. It's kind of just all looking like a mess right now. The covers are great, and let me get to that. These two covers are from a company called Estelle. So this is a size B6, and then this one is a A5 current planner that I'm using. If you want to, and if you haven't, definitely check out one of my last videos where I do this little setup. We craft in my planner and whatnot. I just wanted to get something a little bit different because I don't want to use the white all year round. It was a good option for like winter and around Christmas, I was thinking. I'll definitely come back to this one. I mean, this color is absolutely beautiful. I love these covers, and I was so happy with them. But let me see what other options, and let me kind of add to my planner cover little collection, little options, which leads me to a recent purchase. I went ahead and grabbed two new planner covers from the same company, Estelle. The covers are pricier for me personally than I wanted to spend, but since I've been using them, I've been really happy with it, and it really is a good quality, and I know that I can use them for a long time. Thinking like the lavender's great during like winter and spring, but I wanted something especially for the fall to come. That's kind of what I was thinking about. So I ordered two new covers. Have some little stickers here. I also have like a mini cloud purse from them that I was really happy with, that I used this winter. It was like a nice little Sherpa bag, and it was cream and tan. I really loved it. I want to get one of the black ones, but they have like different planners, different little bags. So cute. Two planner covers, and I don't know which one I should share with you guys first. Maybe we'll go with this one. So they each come in these little nice cover bags, which is great because you can store them back in here when you're not using them. So this is a B6 that I got, and I was thinking this would be for that plain notebook of where I'm going to be journaling. Basic black. I thought this would be a great option when I do start journal planning, because I'm gonna be doing like a Halloween themed, of course. I thought it would just look better with the colors that I normally craft with and plan. I don't know, I almost feel like this is kind of a different fabric. Kind of curious. I wonder if these are supposed to be the same. trying to touch them with my eyes closed because I'm like, this one feels a little different. I mean, I'm sure it's just because I've been using this one, so it seems a little flimsier and like kind of worn in. So this is what it looks like, and I love that you get this pocket right here with the scalloped edges. Looks like this is a little bookmarker that you can use in your undated notebooks. I don't know, I almost feel like it's a different material. I don't know, I wonder if maybe this is because it's the small pebble. I feel like there's different textures that they carry. It is what it is. But anyways, so this is what the cover looks like. What you can do is you can get the backing where it's just your 3-ring insert, and then you can add your pages, or you can do a notebook, a bullet journal. Let me go ahead and put this in here. Yeah, I just thought it would be like a good classic color to go with whenever I do my Halloween planning and journaling and crafting and stuff, because I just want to make it like super bulky or spooky and whatnot. The same thing as the lilac one. You get the little ribbon bookmarkers there, and then all of these pockets. So of course I'll dress these all up with my Halloween crafting stuff. And then you get the 2 pockets here. And what I like about these is that you can adjust the strap to make it fit shorter or longer depending on the thickness of your planner and journal of whatever's in here. So that's nice. Happy with this one, and stay tuned because I'll get working on this one eventually when I get some time and we can set that up together. So this one I had been eyeing. They were sold out of it every time I would go to look and see. And I got this one just thinking of something different for fall. The color, I'm trying to think, what even was the color for this? I can't remember the color, but it's like a really good fall one. And I was kind of worried about what it would look like in person versus on the computer. This is in the size A5, so this is bigger than the black one I just shared. Because as you guys know, I like doing the inside, decorating it depending on the month and time of year, thinking like of a cozy fall autumn planner, and I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like these styrofoam inserts are, these foam inserts are new. I feel like maybe that's why it feels a little stiffer than usual. So this planner eventually will replace this cover. I've never had a color like this before, like a rich tan. And they all are vegan leather, which is nice. This one is like the vegan crocodile pebble, if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I was kind of bummed that this pocket didn't have the scalloped edges because I thought it would be so beautiful if it did. Kind of unfortunate, but I mean, I was aware of that when I purchased it. I just feel like the scalloped is what makes it different, whereas this is just like a planner I could have purchased anywhere. So here's the inside. So these pockets are a little bit different. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that or if I even noticed. Let's see. Ooh, I don't like that. I wish I would have paid attention to that a little bit more. Maybe I didn't realize that. So as you can see, the pockets go further across on this one, which I love, 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 because I like decorating the pockets. Whereas this one, they're cut off shorter, and it's almost like a card pocket where you put like your debit cards and stuff, which I would never do that. I'm just trying to see. I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine because at least these pockets go further over, which is nice. Okay, it's not as bad. I'm being dramatic. You do get 3 of the shorter pockets. I wonder how deep they are, honestly. Okay, so they're not bad, but you still get the 2 pockets. You get this one, then this one, which is pretty much the same. I don't know, I'm kind of regretting this a little bit. I'm gonna try to insert this cover real quick just to see. And if any of you guys have questions, I'll put like my planner details down below in the description. This 3-ring insert I got from The Collected. That's pretty tight. Okay, there we go. Let me move. The white one, it would tend to pop out, which maybe it just looks more drastic with this one because it's darker. I didn't realize about the pockets inside. I knew beforehand that this pocket wasn't scalloped. I really wish it was though. Maybe once I kind of decorate it and when fall comes, I will love it. I am hopeful that once I add like some fall and autumn vibes in here, it will be fine. I'm confident. But maybe I'll take some time to think about it before I commit to it. So far, I've been happy with the planners. Maybe this one doesn't seem like I'm happy with it, but I am. I think it'll be a good change. And as the tabs have been in here a little bit longer, I'm really not mad about it. It'll be like a good little cozy planner come this autumn season. I wanted to see how I liked the V6 and actually it's feeling a lot softer. I think it's like once you put the notebook in there, it's good. Like it just feels comfy and like worn in. If you're looking into planning and you know that you will actually do a lot, I would say invest in some good covers. These are all from Estelle and I've been happy with them so far. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for checking out my unboxing. Let me know if you guys enjoy the planner type of videos and whatnot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. That way you can join us whenever I have a new video that premieres along with the live chat. You can come and chat with us, hang out for a bit. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!